Happy New Year if you are watching this in 2026. This is my 11th video for Vlogmas. This video is just a couple of minutes long and it's got a great idea for you to gift chocolate chip cookies, or you could do sugar cookies or macadamia nut cookies, whatever it might be. But my sister freezes her cookie dough and puts them in like cookie scoops and freezes them like that. So I've been using that idea. I thought it'd make a really fun gift. You can just simply freeze them, toss them in a freezer bag, and then write how to prep them. I will link the recipe that I use down below. The key really is to use cold ingredients, cold eggs, cold butter. Keep it cold as long and as much as you can. And I also used two different cookie scoops. The first one is a small scoop and the second one is the large scoop. And I really enjoyed the small ones. They cooked much better. They were thicker. They didn't spread out as much in the pan. So just an idea. And then I battled Pinterest for like 2 weeks straight to unblock my account, which is linked to the QR code in the back of my Presents Not Presents book. So I'm so glad it was restored because they were not going to let me reinstate it. It was like spammed or something, which I guess my auto linking thing caused that. So I had to unlink that. And then I made some Christmassy sourdough. Really fun end of the month, and I hope you are having a great New Year's, and I appreciate you watching, and I will see you next year.